In this video, I'm going to walk you through the best free marketing strategies to get you your first several sales as a new custom furniture maker or woodworker. Let's dive in. All right, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the podcast. As always, so grateful that you're here. Thanks for hanging out with me. I hope that you're doing great. I hope that you're having a great year. I hope that things are going your way, that your family's good. In this video, I want to walk you through the best free ways to market your work. There's all kinds of ways to get yourself in front of potential customers, potential clients, but there's a few ways that are free that consistently generate great results. And so I'm going to walk you through where to start, what kind of potential you could expect from this, and then where you need to start rolling in other things as well. And so number one is that Facebook Marketplace is your starting point. People dog on Facebook Marketplace, especially people that build like high-end products, like, they're selling tables for $3 to $5 grand or dining table sets from $4 to $7 grand or whatever. They're like, I can't sell anything on Facebook Marketplace. It's just $500 pine tables. Well, I thought the same way, but I've been proven wrong again and again and again on that, because we have clients right now inside of our custom furniture launch program that are closing like 10 to 20 grand a month inside of Marketplace alone, selling dining table sets for $3 to $5 grand. So I say that to say, don't sleep on Marketplace. You should absolutely implement something and dip your toes, because this is free. It doesn't cost you any money. And you're going to start getting some traction and getting some results. Okay, so it's free, it's local, and buyers are already there looking for furniture. This is where you learn how to sell, how to talk to customers, and how to figure out what people actually want. You should be trying to create marketplace posts on a frequent basis. This is another huge mistake that I see guys make, is they post one little marketplace post, and then they don't get any results. They're like, I can't believe that Zach guy on YouTube is full of crap, dude. What a scam artist. Well, you posted one little crappy marketplace post with bad photo, with bad lighting, and a terrible description. So you need to have a lot of marketplace posts. Man, I've worked with clients in the past that have 300 marketplace posts. They're doing 40 or 50 grand a month for marketplace. I say all this to say, you should go hard in the paint. It's free. If you're trying to get traction, the only thing holding you back is you. Gravity's holding you down, and you're holding you back. That's number one. Number two is that local Facebook groups extend your reach, okay? So wherever you're at, there's some type of local Facebook group where you can introduce yourself, say, hey, what's up, guys? My name's Zach. I run XYZ Custom Furniture Company. Here's the most recent project that I just wrapped up. If you'd ever like anything like this, just hit me up. I'd love to get you a free quote. It's literally as simple as that. Just posting in groups and letting people know who you are, that you serve the community. If you got any type of sale or incentive that you're running, you can let them know there as well. But you should have like 8 or 10 different groups that you go find, and you maybe post once a week inside of each one of those groups, okay? Number three is you need to understand that your photos are your storefront. The photos that you get of your products are more valuable than the products themselves. Over the life of my custom furniture company, there were 2 to 3 different photos that we ended up taking, or customers sent us, that ended up generating hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue. Just like 2 to 3 different photos ended up being absolute heavy hitters. They performed super well in our ads. Every time that we posted organically, we would crush with it. So I just say that to say, make sure you're getting good photos, guys. If you don't know what you're doing, there's 10 million YouTube channels on how to get better pictures. There's 10,000 YouTube channels on how to get better pictures with your iPhone. Get better product photos. And also, by the way, get good videos, get good walkarounds, because you can also upload that into Marketplace. You can upload that into groups as well. And video typically outperforms still photos. So your photos are your storefront. So number 4, a really important thing to know with this is that this strategy does have a ceiling. You're probably not going to get to $100,000 or $200,000 a month by posting on Marketplace and groups alone. You need to, as you start scaling and you get some more money to play with, you need to start investing in ads. You need to start investing in SEO services. You need to start investing in building out a more holistic marketing approach. But if you're just starting out and you don't have a lot of money, you should absolutely be going hard in the paint on Marketplace and in local groups. And then number 5 here, just to kind of wrap this video up, is that these marketing strategies are exactly what we built our program around. Most of you guys struggle with 3 big things. A puny product catalog. You either haven't ever built anything, or maybe you've built one thing. You need to have 8 to 12, 15 different options. The second one is you don't have a strong brand. You don't have any reviews on Facebook or Google. You haven't posted on your page consistently, or you don't even have a Facebook page. And then the last one is that you don't have a marketing strategy that's consistent and that generates results day in and day out. Those are the 3 things that we're going to install in your business inside of Custom Furniture Launch. And so if you're watching this and you're interested in going to the next level, and what we do with our clients in Custom Furniture Launch is 6 months from now, if you join, you're going to have a business that's capable of producing between $15,000 and $20,000 a month, every single month, like clockwork. By the way, I'm going to pause for just a second. I'm going to show you a bunch of wins here on the screen. These are people in our actual programs that are crushing it, that are doing great. Check this out. Read some of these. I'm going to keep talking for a second so you can actually read some of these wins. But I'm not making this stuff up. We've worked with over 250 custom furniture makers. We have over 88 active members, I think, right now inside of our program. And so it has been incredible. It's been so fun helping guys grow their businesses. We've had guys step away from their full-time job, multiple guys step away from their full-time job and take everything to the next level. And so other than that, if you're new and you're trying to just get your bearings and you're like, dude, that sounds like a big commitment. I don't know that I'm ready for that, but I want to start making some side hustle money. Go check out my ebook. Okay, it's first link in the description below. It's totally free. Doesn't cost you anything. Just enter your name, your email, and we're going to send that over to you. It's about 88 to 90 pages long, I believe. And it really just outlines my journey and how I got started, the mistakes that I made, and what eventually worked for me and what we've been able to duplicate across, like I said, hundreds of other custom furniture businesses over the last several years. And so with that, as always, love you guys so much. If this is helpful, if you found value in this video, be sure to like and subscribe. We've got hundreds of YouTube videos. I would love for you to check out the rest of the channel here, but also go subscribe to the podcast. It's the Handmade Business Secrets podcast as well. Love and appreciate you guys, and I'll see you all in the next one.